Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
Around or Downy.
Oh, I like Downy.
I had got this one last time, 150 loaves. How many loaves those say? They say 105. Just give me the Walmart brand one, please, because that smells really good also. Also, I want to do the, what I asked you to get, let's see. I wish they, well, they do make them, but they the smaller ones. I guess I'll just do the original. I'll just do the original in these so I can have these on hand. Give me a thing of game, please. Just do the original. That's fine too. Are you gonna get one? Are you gonna wait? Okay, well just get one game. Okay, come on. I'll get. Okay. But here, I was still waiting on Riri. She over there on that side. I don't know what she doing. I gotta get some. I want the Clorox and I want the Lysol wipes. Hey, 14 for 4, and it's 12 for 3. Is that right? Hold on. Oh, that's a great value. 4 of these is for $12.78. 4 of these is for $12.78, and then your Lysol wipes you get 4 for $14.97. I already have Lysol at home, and I need to get. Just give me a Pine Sol, please. The lemon one is fine. They got the laundry sanitizer and they got the Oxy. This is the Oxy Revive. This is the one that I got from the store. It's $4.27. They got the honeyberry. Which one you had got? I have the strawberry. Yeah, but does it smell too sweet?
It smells like peaches.
I don't want nothing too sweet. I'm fresh. Honeyberry. Hula. I'll just do the April fresh. Lavender, citrus.
So casually keep diving into
I wish I wanted to.
so bittersweet. Keep losing.
Alright, I need a loaf of bread, please.
What's left of me? Drowning in faces like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer.
What's today's date?
I don't know. 7?
Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes
I
everything
guess May 5th is gonna be the best we gonna get home.
hard. It's just people getting much darker. Even
Yeah, I don't know what we eating today.
I remember what it was.
Yeah, but I don't want to be hungry. I guess I'll just get me some turkey. I'll go over to buy the jelly and get some turkey. I'll just get another loaf of bread. Give me 2 things of milk, but I need the. Don't get that. Get the Borden. but you can find it. Boarding. I'm gonna pay extra, but boarding milk doesn't go bad quick. Check the date though. Okay, I need me some bread because I'm gonna make me a sandwich today. But I need the Texas toast, so hopefully I can find it. Because sometimes I can find Texas toast. Good morning. All right, how you doing? What that date say on here? You see, you want cheese on mine. You want cheese on yours? Somebody like grilled sandwiches. Okay. I don't know what feeling I'm gonna eat. That feel a lot hard. Hey, bud. How are you?